Using photoelectric sensors to detect the presence or absence of objects on a production line is nothing new, but some objects are harder to detect than others. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. The Banner Q5X background suppression laser sensor is a powerful, problem-solving sensor with high excess gain that provides reliable detection of the most challenging targets. Now, this includes detecting black targets against black backgrounds, transparent and reflective objects, and targets of all colours at ranges between 95 centimetres and 2 metres. The cost-effective Q5X sensor comes in the industry-standard rectangular housing, which is sealed to IP67 for reliable performance in wet environments. A high brightness output indicator with real-time distance feedback enables simple setup and troubleshooting. And a dual teach mode measures both distance and light intensity to solve the most challenging of applications. Find out more about the Banner Q5X from Turck Australia. All the W's turck.com.au, or give them a call on 1300 132 566. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.